Amending an existing pair of pants to create the look of a particular character. In this case, you have dark navy blue pants that require 2-inch pleats times 3 on the front only where the knee is. Choose an existing pair of pants in the longest possible length for your size. You seam rip from the hem to just where the pleats are going to be on both the out seam and the inseam. So once you have your pleats pinned in place, you can see how this shortens the length of the pants. Using measurement from the top of the boot to the pants hem, cut off within the boot area, you can sew that piece onto the front so that you have an exact match for your trouser fabric. Once you have the back and the front the same length, you would just sew down each side to create your pant leg again. If there is not enough length, like if your inseam is a 32 and the longest length you could find is a 34 for your pant size, that's not enough room to give you the knee pleats. So what you can do is get a second pair of pants in the same fabric, and then you would cut the second pair of pants and attach within the boot area so that any seams are hidden within your boot. And then go ahead and create the pleats as before.